At the center of our story is Tesla, a company whose name is often associated with revolutionary change. But what lies beneath the surface of their most recent accomplishments? Such as expanding their supercharging network across borders to reach the huge Chinese market. The narrative is as compelling as it is transformative. Basically, Tesla's the narrative NAC standard is now going to become, I think it's going to become the default standard for North America. You had GM signing on, you had Ford signing on, and now Rivian saying that in 2024, they'll be able to access the charging network, in addition to the fact that in 2025, newer vehicles are going to add a native Tesla port, the NACS port, in the car so they can go directly to the Tesla. So here we are. I think that's a key driver here is that reliability and access to the network that everyone wants. The Tesla network is easier to use because you just plug it in and it knows your car, it has your billing information. You just plug it in. There's no app. There's no like I got to type this stuff in. It's so clean. So that's also a big part is ease of use for their network is a big differentiator for people wanting to use it. Kind of Tesla's ace in the hole or ace in the PowerPoint maybe is the supercharger network. That was a brilliant move for Elon to invest in. That now we're seeing the other Conquer companies transition to the plug type that he's got in that supercharger network, and he's starting to open it up to other companies and other cars. He could end up with quite the subscription model if he becomes the dominant player in the infrastructure and power supply field, now turning over to Tesla, turning things around. In China, the EV maker's seen vehicle sales rise 5% year over year. In November, the uptick comes after 2 straight quarters of declining sales in the country. That's according to data from China as Passenger Car Association via Bloomberg. So what's motivating the upward right now? The trend is Yahoo Finance's Puerto Rico Subramanian for more PR. What do you have? Hey, how's it going? That's right, 5% increase in sales in China to about 65,000 units in November, compared to the same month last year. This is because Tesla is slightly raising prices in October and November, and there's more the teaser buzz around Tesla's workshops, where the gears of the future are making more than just cars. They're also making dreams of a sustainable future. Join us as we figure these out. Mysteries that go deep into the exciting world of Tesla's innovations. Are these the first signs that Tesla will take over the world in the EV arena? What secrets do their plants hold for the future of making great cars? Get ready for a thrilling show full of intrigue and shocking revelations. Buckle up because we're about to go on an exciting ride through Tesla's newest projects. Don't miss a thing. The future has begun, but Cybertruck News makes sure to show its appreciation by liking this video and listening to Tesla stock news. Let's get going. Today's show has exciting news from Tesla, including the latest on charging robust sales in China, interesting job listings, and a notable rise in Tesla stock, which closed at $254.22, up 2%, beating the Nasdaq's 0.67% gain. Starting with the Cybertruck news, Tesla sparked excitement again by reopening order invitations for this highly anticipated vehicle, inviting a small group of reservation holders to confirm their orders. The increase from 172 to 183 entries on the Cybertruck Owners Club tracking sheet might seem small. It shows how much people are looking forward to and interested in this new vehicle. This development shows both how interested people are in the car and how Tesla plans to roll it out. Each entry is a mix of customer trust and Tesla's dedication to new ideas, marking an important step in the Cybertruck's journey from idea to reality. Without a question, this is an event that needs to be closely watched because it shows how big and important the Cybertruck could be in the changing world of cars. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, talked about the Tesla innovative spirit chance of turning the Cybertruck into a makeshift boat that could cross 100 m of water. This big idea shows Tesla's innovative spirit by combining fun and usefulness. Moving on to Tesla's success in China, the company recorded an impressive 18,300 insured vehicles this week, which is a big step toward breaking previous quarterly records. The Model Y continues to be the main reason for this success, doing much better than the Model 3 in the Chinese market when it comes to charging electric cars. Volkswagen has made a smart move by deciding that all of its Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, and Scout cars will use the North American charging standard starting in 2025. This decision marks a major shift in the EV landscape and shows how much Tesla has affected industry standards. It's interesting to see how the automotive industry is changing quickly, especially with Tesla's ambitious growth and Audi's recent shift in strategy. If you're interested in investing and are fascinated by Tesla's progress, our friends at Seeking Alpha are right on top of it. Seeking Alpha is a great resource. They have a lot of information about Tesla, such as stock price goals, innovation updates, and the latest on Elon Musk's ventures as a premier pro. Seeking Alpha is a great source of news about Tesla that is different from the mainstream media's often negative view of the company. We've arranged a special offer for our readers. Just click on the link in the description to get a discount and join the community of smart investors at Seeking Alpha. On the other hand, Volkswagen has announced an interesting study into adapter solutions that would allow existing vehicles to connect to Tesla's supercharger network starting in 2025. This is different from what was said before, which said that the adapters merging with Volkswagen vehicles was still in the works. Becky Tanucci is an important part of North American charging. Tesla's charging team is excited about the progress being made in charging technology. She pointed out that the North American charging standard, which started out as just an idea, now has support from almost all major car manufacturers. This group effort is seen as a big step toward making charging better for all EV drivers and speeding up the switch to clean energy. With Volkswagen's commitment, this statement marks a turning point in the adoption of NAC in North America. These improvements make big steps forward in the EV charging infrastructure and point to a bright future for electric vehicles and clean energy options around the world. Tesla News, the company that makes electric cars, is adding non-Tesla electric vehicles to its network of charge stations in Ireland, Romania, and Hungary. This is in line with Tesla's plans in other areas, though not all superchargers will be open to cars from other brands. The Tesla Supercharger Map, which will soon be updated, will be a useful tool for business development professionals looking for charging points that are easy to get to. Tesla is making big steps forward, Alexander MZ on the X. Tesla hiring brought to our attention a job opening for a senior business development manager in North America. This is an important position for growing Tesla's business-to-business hardware sales program within the charging organization. The new manager will work with top executives from a wide range of industries to help the EV charging market grow significantly. Recent partnerships between Tesla and businesses like BP Hilton and Best Western show this goal, even though they haven't gotten much media attention. With the NX becoming the standard in North America, this will be good for all future EV owners. Tesla's work in Mexico is shown in more detail in another job posting. The company is looking for an indirect procurement manager for building and facilities at the new plant in Santa Catarina, New Leon. This hiring move shows that Giga is making more progress in its growth. Go Giga Mexico. America Governor Samuel Garcia of New Leon talked about Tesla's plans for the area. He emphasized the importance of good incentives for building infrastructure that will be needed for the new factory and said that Tesla would rather receive support for infrastructure than money as gifts. Every meeting with Tesla shows that the factory's goals are growing. In addition to the initial plans for Giga Mexico's significant growth, Garcia hinted that the factory might double or triple in size with the ability to make not only a new, more affordable Tesla car, but also the Cybertruck, as well as an extra production line for the Model Y and batteries. The news about Tesla's plans to build more charge stations and expand in North America and Mexico is getting EV fans excited. World promises better charging experiences and a big increase in Tesla's production abilities. There is still a lot of talk about how the Cybertruck is made at Giga Mexico. Governor Samuel Garcia's now deleted Instagram post made this option seem more likely, but there is still doubt because of Giga. Shoppers on LendingTree might not reflect the actual Tesla driver population. For example, Tesla's own Tesla Accident Rates Insurance might offer lower rates to drivers who have fewer accidents, which could change these results. Tesla's Sentry Mode technology could also change how reports are made. Behavior incidents recorded by Sentry Mode are more likely to lead to insurance claims than minor incidents that might not be reported with other brands, such as in automotive safety. Recently, a lot of talk has been about Tesla's accident rates. While a report suggests that Tesla drivers have higher accident rates, these results could be affected by a number of factors. On top of that, the study doesn't look at how many miles were driven. According to Tesla's impact study, their cars are driven more than usual, which could. Landscape, including Audi's strategic shifts, are these developments pointing towards a more electrified future? How will Tesla's new initiatives shape the next chapter in the auto industry? We invite you to ponder these questions and join the conversation if you found today's insights enlightening. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Your help keeps us bringing you the latest and most complete news about Tesla and beyond. Stay tuned for more, and remember that the future of business and innovation is just a click away.